This is the Tank T2. It's a beautiful smartwatch. It's got always-on ambient mode you just saw. Twist your wrist, you can bring it up into whatever watch face you choose from the stock or custom faces. This is a custom one, by the way. When you let it sit for a while, it'll go right back into the always-on mode. Once you have it activated, you can swipe down to get into all kinds of controls. Turn on Bluetooth calling and music playing and activating Siri or Google. You can change the layout if you want to of your apps for easy access. Do not disturb, twist your wrists, and in overall brightness, I'm going to blow your minds, guys. This is on the lowest setting. Check this out. That's the brightest setting. Oh, get your sunglasses on. This is going to be really easy to see outdoors for outdoor activities. And of course, it's fully waterproof, 5 ATM, MIL standard. I mean, it just goes on and on. You've got alarms and find your phone and battery saving mode. You can even lock the screen if you want to, so it's not going to be moving around when you're swimming. You got your settings where you can change different watch faces and themes. We'll pick something different for you just for fun. How about that one? That's the one they typically show you. Really nice and colorful, both digital and analog. When we're in settings, you can turn on the always-on display and change it if you want to from analog to digital. And of course, change themes and things like that too. We have, in addition, in the settings, your languages, date and time. You can do a sports recognition to automatically find out what you're doing and start tracking it. Sound and vibration, system info, all kinds of stuff. Now, here you get into all of your apps. You've got your daily activity, step count, Bluetooth calls, heart rate, blood oxygen. We'll show you some of that. I'm just whipping through it. SOS is in this one, voice assistant. Ladies, you've even got your female health is on this one too. That's the lowest setting. It's almost hard to read in here on that. When you are back here on the watch face and swipe over, you've got step count information broken down by hour and by week, your weekly steps. A lot of detailed here. You've got last night's sleep time also broken down. Deep, light, awake, REM sleep. You've got heart rate. Land on that. It starts taking your heart rate, shows you your last several readings, and also your resting heart rate day by day that it calculates overnight. Here's your blood oxygen. It's going to give you the readings on that. You come over here, you got blood pressure. It'll do that. By the way, blood oxygen is doing it with the red diodes, as all of the fancy watches do. Weather in your area, forecast as well. And of course, a music player tethered to your phone will play the music from your phone through the watch, cue it all up, and it'll just play great. You can also add any other thing you want on here, like your calls or your workout. Just add them, and they'll be part of the overall list as well. You have so much going for you with this watch. It's lightweight. It's really, really elegant and well designed. It's like a gunmetal finish on this. Speaker is right underneath here. You've got 2 buttons on it. Color coordinated with a variety of colors. Really nice integrated bands. And of course, it's available Christmas Day 2022. It's the Tank T2. Check it out.